Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Outlook. Microsoft Copilot in Outlook helps you manage emails more efficiently by drafting messages, summarizing conversations, generating replies, and helping you communicate more clearly. So whether you are hitting a busy inbox or writing important email, your Copilot can save you time and effort. So how does it work? First of all, you need to launch Outlook on your computer or open the Outlook on the web. So you have two options. If your Microsoft 365 subscription include Copilot, you will see Copilot features in the Outlook. Now, for those who doesn't have it, simply just go to chat here, go to compare plans, and just get yourself a plan from these ones here. So there's the yearly, the monthly. Each one of them has the Copilot included in them, so you don't have to worry about that. Just get whatever fits you the best. You can read, of course, the benefits. That's not what we are going to do in this video, but you can do that yourself. For me, I'd go personally for the personal bundle. It is cheap and it has Copilot in it, and it works with Outlook as well. So simply just go for it, buy it, and you will have the subscription ready. Then open Outlook from there, as you can see, and you will be able to see your own emails. So here, like other, etc., etc., etc. So now, what do we do? So from this point forward, what you will have to do is to work with Copilot. So you will see a button here that's basically for a menu here for Copilot. Once you click on it, a pop-up will open in the right of the screen with the Copilot chat, where you can literally just talk to it in plain English. So you're simply gonna be prompting it, like saying stuff like you are writing to ChatGPT. Once you write to ChatGPT, you say stuff and ChatGPT delivers for you. The same thing here for Copilot. You write for Copilot and it will deliver for you whatever you ask it to do, from sending emails, answering emails, etc. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.